Yeah, I was going to cut this open.
What is that, Charlie?
Car.
Is that a car?
Watch out, Michael.
Did you say thank you to Granny? Oh my goodness.
See, we got to put the whole car together, and then we got to let it. That's a car, Charlie. You got to get out of the way. Yeah, pick it up.
Yeah.
Here, I'll start it. Pull it over.
Wow.
It's gonna take an hour to put this together.
Oh, no, surely not.
Awesome. Hold on, Michael. Watch out, buddy. Watch out, Charlie. Here we go. What is it? What's that, Charlie? Look at that shiny red convertible. Yeah, it's got wheels. Look at this. Yeah, tires. No, it's not broken. We just got to put it on. Put the